Good morning, bit windy here. Just gonna have my bananas, black bananas, and I hope this is a ripe mango for breakfast. Cambodia, time to reflect. Cambodia's been really good, really enjoyed it. The people have been super friendly. All they've wanted to do is say hello the whole time and be generous. The landscapes in Cambodia change vastly depending on where you are. Up near the Laos border, it's very dusty and barren. Along the Mekong, it's just wild with activity, with people farming and the cows, huge cows, people just going around day-to-day life. As you get towards the coast, it very much feels like a different country almost. It feels just like a lot of what Thailand felt like for me. And then I went through the wildlife park, lost the drone, and got to this point here on the Thai border. Cambodia, you have been fantastic, but now it's time to get back to Thailand. Alright, let's get on the road.
Here we go, into this craziness that is the border, Cambodia and Thailand.
2-hour task of getting a Cambodian exit visa is done. Let's get into Thailand. Frustration is there, but you've just got to be patient in these borders. Well, that's me into Thailand. That took a minute compared to the 2 hours it took to get out of Cambodia. Thailand, yes, I'm so happy with that. I've not really had anything to eat properly today, so I'm going to find some food and get a move on. I've got sleeves on today because the sun is horrendous. I need to give my arms a rest. One more thing, I now drive on the left. No more driving on the right. Best get used to that again. Stopped at my first restaurant in Thailand and I'm having myself a pad thai. You beauty. Oh, banana cupcake. This is very important. I've got 3 packs of mega noodles with some bread. Yes. In here is a toasty. That is so good. Arrived at my hotel after doing 100k in the town of Trat. Definitely pronouncing that wrong. Trat. T-R-A-T. But this hotel just happens to be a massive kickboxing ring training. Some guys just behind us doing laps. I've paid 200 baht for tonight. My maths is off, so I don't know if that's good or bad. Being back in Thailand was an opportunity to eat some of my favourite foods in the market. Well, this has been a fantastic ride so far. It just feels good to be back in Thailand, back on these roads. About halfway towards Koh Chang, and should be there in about an hour. So here we are, at the ticket of the ferry to Koh Chang. Rather than waiting around, first off the boat. Welcome to Koh Chang. More cars here than I expected.
Absolutely ridiculous, this hill.
I'm struggling in this heat.
Even motorbikes.
Koh Chang, I wasn't expecting this. Cheers, mate. Oh. Alright, let's get up this hill. This is why I'm the only person on this island on a bicycle, because it's bloody rough.
I need that. I need to find somewhere to sleep.
Oh, baby there.
good place to sleep?
They have 400 baht.
Yeah.
Bungalow.
I've arrived at my bungalow. 400 baht for the night, which is double what I paid last night, but I'm on an island. Here we go. Pretty wet. So today is Songkran, which is basically Thai New Year. It's a big water festival, which just means you get drenched. You can't walk down the street without getting absolutely soaked. I'm gonna find somewhere to chill out for the day, which doesn't mean chill out, it means just throw water on people. Here we go. Oh, let's go for it. Woohoo! This is our war paint for the battle ahead.
Basically, it's working.
Happy Songkran! Oh no, finish it, finish it!
I don't think I know.
Don't see that every day. Hello there. So I'm just making a quick update from Korea, where I'm editing this. Currently in some hot spring. Just got some Wi-Fi and some electricity next to me to charge this and edit some videos. This is a quick request. If you'd like to watch any of these videos a week earlier than anybody else, you can become a patron. Go over to this link down at the bottom, sign up for $8 a month, and you'll get full access to all the videos I make early, which is awesome. Thank you for watching. Would be awesome if you subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you liked it. And also press that little notification bell thing next to it. That means I'll be there in your pocket whenever you decide, Adam's got another video up, let's watch it. That'd be mega. Brilliant. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next episode.